Let's see if it does the thing. Oh, look at that.
Oh, cool.
Oh, that is so
Oh,
cool.
awesome.
Did it like give it some more support or something, huh? That is so insane. That was a good idea, huh? This is cool. That was crazy. And then there's some in there that's not frozen. Like, what's up with that? Like,
Just like perfectly fills up that cup.
yeah. Must be a 500 milliliter cup. I wonder why, like the rest of it doesn't freeze. Maybe the warmth of the cup or something. I just wonder
Stop
if it's like slushy. Yeah, it's slushy. Okay. Come on. I gotta do it. Oh, there. It's so weird. I thought when I saw that in like videos, I thought they were doing it with like sodium acetate or something, you know? Just plain old water.
This is pretty awesome. Have you done something like this before with sodium acetate?
No, I've just seen like the instant warm packs. I thought that's what it was. So cool. Okay. And be sure to like tap on it to make sure it gets a good focus.
Okay.
There it goes. There it goes into the bottle.
So cool.
That was a good idea. It looks like a crystal unicorn like took a dump in there or something, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Crystal unicorn poop.
It seems like all hotels use the same kind of brands as the tiny refrigerators.
Yeah. That was a good idea.